Zoom AI, languages, inclusivity and meetings. Zoom has been constantly improving its AI, language and inclusivity features for online meetings and webinars. In this article, I want to summarize latest benefits of Zoom as of September 25, 2023. Please update your Zoom app to the newest version to access these wonderful tools. Please note that some of these services are only available with paid subscription of Zoom software. May not be supported by your device or operating system. May require an admin approval if you are working at a school or corporation. Are provided by interpreting agencies and not via Zoom company. Please comment below if you have any questions or send us an email for technical support requests. Our team provides all of the following services and Zoom support with qualified interpreters and expert technicians. Language interpretation. When enabled, Zoom creates language channels in the meeting/webinar. The host invites and assigns interpreters. Participants need to choose a language channel in order to listen to the interpreters. Interpreters are given a virtual panel to manage their language channels and simultaneously interpret the speakers. Multiple languages and interpreters can be assigned. Zoom's language interpretation is being regularly used by governments, corporations, NGOs, and event organizers. This feature is for live human interpretation. It is not an automated translation service. Please note that Zoom does not provide simultaneous interpreters. You need a trusted interpreting agency like Dragoman to organize conference interpreters for your online event. Sign language interpretation. Sign language interpretation makes your online events more inclusive. The host invites and assigns sign language interpreters. Multiple sign languages and interpreters can be assigned. The participants choose the sign they need to watch and display, drag and drop or minimize the video of sign language interpreter. It is possible to have both language interpretation and also sign language interpretation during the same Zoom meeting or webinar. Please note that Zoom does not provide sign language interpreters. You need a trusted interpreting agency like us to organize sign language interpreters for your online event. Recording language channels and sign language interpreter. Zoom Cloud Recording records the meeting, all language channels and also the sign language interpreters. You can choose to record gallery view or other view options. Language channels are recorded as individual audio files. Sign interpreters are recorded as a video. Zoom's cloud recording video includes language selection options similar to a live meeting. You may choose to give access to this video on Zoom's cloud to your audience because they can watch with interpretation. However, when downloaded, Zoom video recordings will only contain the speaker's audio, not the interpreter's. Language channels will be ready to download as separate audio files, without a video. Use cloud recording for best performance. If you use local recording, do not change your language channel because the recording language will change. When you want to have a local recording backup in addition to cloud recording, either use a third-party screen capture software or assign a dedicated person for local recording. Do not assign the local recorder as a host or co-host. This person needs to be a regular participant in your Zoom meeting. Background noise removal. Very handy AI function if you must join a Zoom meeting at a crowded office or cafe. It simply filters noises in the background. Also hides typing and tapping noises, which is a huge plus for multitasking employees. There are several levels of noise removal. Auto usually works fine, and if not, you can choose a stronger noise removal option from the menu. You can also create your own voice signature with Zoom, which empowers Zoom to focus only on your voice and not the others when you are joining from a crowded workplace. Audio transcript works best for English language. However, Zoom engineers keep developing this feature and it is getting better in other languages, too. You can use it during the meeting as captions or download after the meeting in order to write a meeting report. You can also assign a typist to correct transcription errors. Helpful feature if you need a transcript for recording and monitoring purposes or as per a legal requirement. It may take Zoom from a few minutes to a few hours to process an entire recording and transcript of long meetings. Meeting summary with AI Companion gives you an instant summary of your meeting with main discussions, keywords, actionable items, and next steps. Also divides meetings video recording into chapters. You can click on a keyword and see where in the video had the participants discussed that topic. If participants use decent computers, good microphones, and speak clear English, the meeting summary will be very nice and clean. AI Companion for Zoom Chat. This feature works if AI Companion is enabled during a meeting. You can click on the quick links in the chat box to catch up with others, see previously debated topics, if anybody had mentioned you while you were away, and see the next few steps to take an action. Zoom's chat is constantly getting better. Using AI in the chat box adds productivity to large teams. Update: in 2024, AI Companion began to summarize meetings with action points and key discussion topics. AI Companion for emails. If you are using Zoom as an email client, Zoom's AI helps you write better, faster, and automate several steps. Live captions. When enabled, Zoom provides live automated captions of the speakers under the screen. It is possible to adjust size and height of the caption text. This option is available in many languages. Highest performance is obtained in English and when participants use good microphones. You may also choose to assign a live captionist, a professional typist, to do this manually. Hiring a professional may cost more but will increase the accuracy. Live translated captions. This is also an automated service of Zoom. You need to set the meeting language and then choose the language of translated captions. Zoom will provide captions at the bottom of the screen. Accuracy depends on speaker's audio quality and the language combinations. This is a low-cost, affordable option to host inclusive meetings. It helps the audience to understand the gist of a meeting, nothing more. Always work with professional interpreters for technical, scientific, or governmental meetings. There is a lot of hype around language AI, translation and elimination of the language barrier. Technology gets better and better. It helps us to work more efficiently. Zoom offers artificial intelligence as a companion, not a replacement of human talent. And I like this approach. AI is a companion. Let's learn it, try it, and use it responsibly. As always, Dragoman team is committed to giving you the best possible language services, with or without AI.